Hello and welcome to Apartment Cookery. Today we will be making omurice, or a Japanese omelet. First we will start with 2 carrots and we're going to cut these into 1/4 inch rounds. Now we will cut half an onion into small dice. We are using beef hot dogs, but you could also use sausage or any other type of meat you like. If you like what you're seeing so far, be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you. We are going to use 3 large eggs and we're going to beat these until they're very well mixed. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of water and just a pinch of salt. And then you're going to put that right through a strainer to make sure there's no little bits left in there. Now we will drizzle a pan with a little bit of high heat oil, such as canola or vegetable oil, and we're just going to start sauteing our onions and carrots. And you're going to want to cook these till they're just al dente. Okay, now we're going to add the hot dogs and we're just going to cook these until they got a little bit of color on them. Now that the carrots, onions, and hot dogs are cooked, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, here's the fun part. We're now going to add 2 cups of cold rice, and you got to make sure it's cold and dry or it will stick to the pan. Make sure all the ingredients are well mixed together before you move on to the next step. Okay, we're going to now add 1/3 cup of frozen peas. Okay, we're now going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And you're going to want to cook all this together until the rice has absorbed all the sauces. Okay, now you can add white or black pepper to taste. When you're finished adding the pepper, you can remove the rice from the pan, and now we're going to drizzle the pan again with oil, and we're going to use this to cook the eggs. We are now going to place the eggs in a medium to medium high heat pan, and we're going to just try to get rid of all the bubbles and make sure it's nicely even cooked. And now we will add about 1 to 2 cups of the cooked rice for each omelet. And this recipe will make about 4 omelets in total. Okay, so here's the tricky part. So we're going to start rolling the omelet in the pan, and then we're going to slowly get it to the edge of the pan and then have a plate ready, and we are going to pour this out onto a plate so the omelet folds over onto itself. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you like what you're seeing, please make sure to check out more videos by Apartment Cookery. Have a great day. Thank you.